Hi guys, Ricardo here with MoversBoost. Today, with another video, I'll be talking about LLMs, files, and how this is going to help your moving business get more jobs, get more traffic, get more leads. So, let me share my screen so I can show you what it looks like, how to do it, and how can we help with that, and also what results are you going to expect with that LLMs file. This is very related to rankings and also AI results. So let me share my screen right now. So right now, your moving company might be ranking on Google, but completely invisible inside AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and others. And that's the problem because more and more people are skipping Google, like me. I'm not using Google as much as I used to do like 2 or 3 years ago. And they are going straight to AI to ask them, what's the best moving company near me? In this video, I'm going to show you what LLMs.txt file is, why it matters, and how can you get it, how can you use it to get your moving company recommended by AI. So let me simplify this. So the LLMs.txt is a file you place on your website that tells AI models what they are allowed to read, understand, and use when generating answers. So it's similar to other text files, but for AI instead of search engines. So AI tools don't magically know your business. They crawl, they interpret, and prioritize information. So this file right here that you see on the screen helps guide that process. Think of it like this. If your website doesn't communicate clearly with AI, AI fills the gaps on its own. So and that's not what you guys want. So here's the reality for most people and things that they don't understand. So AI and search engines are not truth engines. They don't care about what's actually true. They care about what's structured, repeated, and reinforced across data sources. So if your competitors, let's say, are feeding better signals to AI, they will show up instead of you. So instead of your company, I'm sorry, even if your company is better, this is where GEO comes in. So this is generative engine optimization. It's not just about ranking on Google anymore. It's how you are being selected by AI. So this one right here that you see on the screen um, is an example of an LLM's text file for one of our clients, Fresh Start the Moving Crew. And it's a file on the back end of a moving company website, basically. This is how it should look like for you and for other businesses as well. So this right here contains a lot of information. It has links, it has location, key content, residential movers, dash services, what type of services do you offer? It has your phone number, it has your email address, it has your physical address. It has a bunch of informations and descriptions for your business so AI can use it to your advantage. So this helps with, priority on pages. Um, it has data references and it will help with brand positioning as well. So what we're doing here is guiding AI to focus on service pages, understand locations, and recognize the brand as an authority. So basically, we are telling AI, this is who we are, and this is what we do, and this is what matters. So This it will get you better results on AI, and I will show you that in a second. So let me show you right now. Let me change my screen here. Now let's look at how this plays out in real life. I just did a quick search here. Movers in Worcester, Massachusetts. Just to see where our client, Fresh Start the Moving Crew, is ranking in ChatGPT. As you can see here, he is number one. And ChatGPT searches, Fresh Start, the Moving Crew, highly rated, strong reviews for professionalism and care. And if you scroll down, you will see something right here. And maps. He's ranking also number one with 4.9 reviews. So notice which companies are being mentioned. So this is not random. These are companies that have strong data signals, have structured content, and in many cases are actively optimizing for AI. Also, when you click right here on this link, it will take you to their listing, and so you can have, more information about them. Let me click on this one. And as you can see, it has all their information that we previously used on their LLMs file. So, LLMs, that text alone is not magic. It works together with your content, your SEO, and your overall digital presence. So, if you want to know more about SEO and how to improve that for your business, you can check our previous video where I talk about for 30 minutes how to improve your SEO. Or you can give me a text and we will definitely help you with that. So your website content, your structured data, your location signals, your authority online, and now LLMs files are guiding AI behavior. So when you combine all of this, you're not just ranking, you're influencing what AI says about your business. So moving companies are in one of the most competitive local markets. And it's also one of the first industries being disrupted by AI search. People don't want to scroll anymore. They want one simple answer, one single answer, the right one. And AI is giving them that answer. They don't want to search for different results and look around and check seven different pages. They just want one. If you have a good reputation, if you have all these things in place, you're going to get that click. You're going to get that customer. You're going to get that lead. So the question becomes, is your company that answer or or is even being mentioned in the conversation in the results? So that's very important to keep in mind. So at MoversBoost, this is exactly what we focus on, not just getting you traffic, but position your company so AI tools recommend you directly, because that's where everything is going. AI videos and simpler searches. So yeah, if you want to set this for your company, for your moving company, or you want to see how you're currently are showing up inside AI, reach out to me, send me a text, shoot me an email, give me a call. You can schedule a quick meeting with me so we can do a strategy call. I'll show you packages, plans, and how can we help your moving business get more traffic, get more leads, get more customers in the first 30 days. So we will break it down for you and show you exactly where you stand and how can we help. So thank you for watching the video. I'll see you next time.